Good morning, students. This is B.N. Jha welcomes you in the e-learning class of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. My dear students, we are learning about air and water pollution. In our previous video, we have discussed about the methods to control water pollution. Today, we are going to discuss a case study, that is damaging effect of water pollution on river Ganga. My dear students, we know the Ganga is a holy river, and Ganga is one of the major river in the Indian subcontinent. An estimated 20 lakhs people ritually bath daily in the river, which is considered to be holy by the people. While the Ganges may be considered holy, it is one of the most polluted river in the world today. What are the causes of pollution of the river Ganga? At present, the water of river has been extensively polluted. The pollution of Ganga water was caused due to some reasons. These reasons are by the discharge of domestic sewage into the river, by the discharge of industrial sewage in the river, by the excessive use of synthetic detergents, soaps which were washed down into the river, by the excessive use of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides which got washed into the river with surface water. And lastly, by the remains of human and animal corpses. These are the causes that has made our holy river Ganga. Students, Ganga is not only a river but also a lifeline of the people of North India and Northeast India. The excessive pollution of the Ganga river affect about 400 million people who live close to this river. It causes health hazard in the form of diseases like dysentery, jaundice, cholera, diarrhea, etc. by either direct bathing in this river or by drinking it. This is a very alarming stage, and some expectation says that the Ganga has been so polluted that it cannot be cleaned in near future. So many efforts have been made to clean Ganga. At first, in 1985, the Government of India launched Ganga Action Plan, which was in short known as GAP, in April 1985. The aim of this plan was to reduce the pollution level in the river. However, the increasing population, industrialization, and increasing chemical fertilizers and detergents have already damaged this mighty river beyond repair. Yet, the Government of India, supporting the view of the people of India, launched Ganga Action Plan in 1985, but this plan could not do any more to clean the Ganga, and this plan were declared closed on 31st March 2000. But the effort again started in 2008. The government has set up Ganga Basin Authority to put forward planning, implementation and monitoring of various programs for Ganga. This authority will bring the river back to life by involving the community and people right from plans to monitoring. Students, in recent years, the present Government of India has also launched Namami Gange plan, aiming at to clean the water of Ganga suitable for drinking and bathing. But unfortunately, till today, the plan has not achieved its goal, and the water of Ganga has not been cleaned completely. However, Namami Gange plan was launched by Mr. Narendra Modi government, and the government has worked curiously and interestingly to clean water of Ganga, but yet the government has not succeeded to achieve its goal, and the water of Ganga is still polluted, still dirty, ready to cause many health hazards among the people, especially living close to the river. This is one case study. However, you can see most of the rivers in India has been polluted. Among the most polluted river, Damodar river in Jharkhand is one of them. This river has also been so polluted that the water supply in the city from this river was stopped. Another river, Yamuna. When you will see Yamuna, you will be surprised to see that the water of Yamuna has been so polluted that it is even dangerous to the living plants, aquatic plants and animals at the same time. So the students, the pollution of water bodies are mainly due to human activities. Our activity should be managed so that we can be able to reduce water bodies and save the life of the people living close to the rivers. Thank you. See you next.